In this video tutorial, you will learn how to subscribe to your SHOPLINE POS plan and purchase extra register. Firstly, let's navigate to Channel. Click on the plus icon. Under Sales Channel, refer to POS section and click on the blue plus icon. For first-time users, please answer the questionnaire that pops up and click on Use Now to continue. You can ignore this step if you do not receive the pop-up. Once you have added the POS channel, please navigate to the left sidebar and click on Setting, Location. Click on Default Address to update your store details such as address and phone number. After completing the store setup location, go back to the left sidebar and click on Store, Renew, and select your POS subscription version. You can select your preferred billing cycle to be either monthly or yearly. Click on Go to Settlement to continue and complete your payment. If you would like to add on extra register in the same store, please navigate back to the store page and click on Purchase. Key in the number of additional register you would like to purchase and your payment cycle preference. Click on Go to Settlement and complete your payment.